Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Verizon Jetpack MiFi 8800L not working. So here's a guide for your no service APN and firmware update. Fix 1. Restart the Jetpack. Press and hold the power button and then select Restart. Wait for the device to reboot completely. Try connecting to the internet again. Fix 2. Check for battery and charging. Charge the Jetpack for at least 30 minutes and make sure you are using a working USB cable and charger. If the battery is full or no longer holds a charge, you need to replace it. Step 3. Verify cellular signal. Move to an area with stronger Verizon coverage. Check if the display shows LTE, 5G, or signal bars. If it says no service, you need to try another location. Fix 4. Check the SIM card. Power off the jetpack, remove the SIM card, and clean it gently if necessary. Reinsert it securely, turn the device back on. Fix 5. Confirm your data plan. If your Verizon data plan has expired, is suspended, or you have reached your data limit, the Jetpack may connect to Wi-Fi but not access the internet. Fix 6. You need to forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. On your phone or computer, forget the Jetpack's Wi-Fi network, search for it again, and enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Fix 7. Update the software. Install any available firmware updates as updates often fix connection and stability problems. Fix 8. Reset network settings or factory reset. On the Jetpack, open menu, go to settings, select factory reset and confirm the reset. Fix 9. Check for diagnostic information. Same status, you need to go for signal strength, network status, and firmware version. This can help identify whether the issue is with the SIM, network, or the device. Fix 10, you need to contact your Verizon. So if the Jetpack still won't work after completing these steps, you need to contact Verizon support. They can help you check for network outages, verify your account and data plan, reprovision your SIM, or replace the device if it's faulty. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.